Hello guys, today we will learn about how to calculate the weight of various shapes. Please watch video till end so that I will give you link of weight calculator in Excel. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Do you wonder how space agencies or astrophysicists find the weight of planets and interstellar objects without weighing machine? If you don't, then let's go to basic first. Measurement of weight is very important in everyday life. We are using weight calculation for tool design, machine design, to purchase raw material by weight, and to measure the weight where weighing machine can't work. To find the weight is very common and important in engineering world. Weight of various shapes like triangular, hexagonal pipes are easy to calculate than we think. But before we know to calculate the weight, we need to understand the basic terms associated with the weight. Weight, as per textbook, weight is defined as the force exerted on the body by gravity. In 1901, the Third General Conference on Weight Measurement established this as their official definition of weight. The word weight denotes a quantity of the same nature as a force. The weight of a body is the product of its mass and the acceleration due to F equal to mg, where F is force, m is mass, g is gravitational force. Weight is measured in many units of different system like in other systems pound force, in SI base unit system kilogram meter per second square, in SI unit Newton. Volume is the quantity of three-dimensional space enclosed by a closed surface. For example, the space that a substance, solid, liquid or gas or shape occupies or contains. Volume is often quantified numerically using the SI derived unit, the cubic meter. The volume of a container is generally understood to be the capacity of the container, the amount of fluid that the container could hold rather than the amount of the space that container itself displays. The density, or we can say more precisely the volumetric mass density of a substance, is its mass per unit volume. The symbol most often used for density is rho. Every material have some specific material density. In this chart, you can check the specific material density of various materials. In this video, I will use specific material density of steel 7850 kg per meter cube, which is an alloy of iron and carbon, and unit of length are in mm. So first, we will calculate the weight of square block, which is very simple. Weight is equal to volume into density, where volume of square block is multiplication of three sides length of square block. So weight of the block is L into L into L into density, which is 7850 for the steel. Let's take an example of a square block of side 200 mm each. So we need to change the unit of length from mm to meter, so I need to divide the length 200 by 1000. So 200 by 1000 into 200 by 1000 into 200 by 1000 into density 7850 is equal to 62.8 kg of that block. Now we will calculate the weight of a rectangular block, so it is same as previous, but in this case length of all edges are not equal. So volume of a rectangular block is H into W into L. H stands for height, W stands for width, L is length. So weight is volume into density. So calculation is like height into weight into length into density of steel. So if we take for an example, we have a block of height 100 mm, width of 200 mm and length of 500 mm, then it is 100 divided by 1000 to multiply 200 by 1000 multiply 500 by 1000 into 7850, so which is 78.5 kg of weight. Now we will calculate the weight of rectangular pipe. To calculate the weight of rectangular pipe is as simple as other weight calculations. In this, hollow portion weight is subtracted from the total weight of rectangular pipe weight, where Vt is the volume of total volume of rectangular pipe, and Vh is the hollow portion volume of same pipe. So weight is Vt minus Vh into density. So if we take an example, a pipe of 100 into 100 having thickness of 10 mm and length of 1000 mm. So calculation be like is VT, means total volume. So 100 by 1000 into 100 by 1000 into 1000 by 1000, which is 1, so equal to 0.01 meter cube. And VH, hollow portion volume, 80 by 1000 into 80 by 1000 into 1000 by 1000 is equal to 0.064 meter cube. So weight is Vt minus Vh into density, so it's 0.01 minus 0.0064 into 7850 is equal to 28.26 kg of that pipe. Now we need to calculate the weight of round bar, or we can say rod. So it is same. So weight is volume into density. So we need to calculate the first volume. Volume of a round bar is pi r square into length. So in this case, so let's take an example of a bar having dia 100 mm and length 500 mm. So calculation be like 3.14 into 50 by 1000 into 50 by 1000 into 500 by 1000. So which is 0.05 meter cube. So weight is 0.05 into 7850 is equal to 30.8 kg. For weight calculation of round pipe, just we need to subtract the two hollow portion weight from that pipe. Now we need to calculate the weight of T-bar. It is little bit tricky. So first we need to calculate the volume. So T have two sides, side A and side B. So volume formula is be like side A into TF plus side B minus TF into TW into length. So weight is volume into density. So if we take example A of T bar, so having a side of 100 mm and side B of 100 mm, and TF is 20 and TW is also 20, and total length of the bar is 1000 mm. So calculation is like 100 upon 1000 into 20 upon 1000 plus 100 upon 1000 minus 20 upon 1000 into 20 by 1000 into 1 is equal to 0.036 meter cube. So weight is 0.036 into 7860 is equal to 28.2 kg for T bar. Now we need to calculate the weight of triangular bar, or we can say prism. So in this case, volume is under root 3 by 4 into side A square into length. This formula works for equilateral triangle having all three sides of equal length. So calculation is like under root 3 divided by 4 into 100 upon 1000 whole square into 1 is equal to 0.00433 meter cube. So weight is 0.0043 into 7860, which is equal to 34.05 kg of that triangular bar. Now at last we will calculate the weight of hexagonal bar. So weight is simple. Weight is equal to volume into density. So we need to calculate the volume. Volume is under root 3 into 1 by 2 into side square into length. So if we take an example, in this example, total length across two sides of flat surface is 100 mm and bar length is 1000 mm. Then calculation is like under root 3 into 1 by 2 into 100 upon 1000 whole square into 1000 upon 1000. So it is the volume, so which is equal to 0.00866 meter cube. So weight of hexagonal bar is 0.00866 into 7850, which is equal to 67.98 kg of hexagonal bar.